and today we will learn about phonics. It's new letter sound. It's letter sound J. Good job. It's letter sound J. Are you ready for learning phonics about letter sound J with Miss Vero? This is the story of letter sound J. A mother and doctor are making some jelly. When it is ready, they dip it into a plate. The jelly is tall and red and has 4 layers. As they carry it to the table, it wobbles. The little girl laughs and pretends to wobble just like the jelly, saying J, 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 J. This is the action of letter sound J. You can see here in the picture. Okay, now put your hands beside your body and you wobbles like a jelly. Wobbles like a jelly. Okay, this is how you say letter sound J. 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 This is letter sound J. And this one is how you write letter sound J. Okay, this one is how you write letter sound J. This is the things that start with letter sound J. Okay, the first picture. I have a picture of jellyfish. Good job, it's jellyfish. Next, this picture. Okay, someone jumping. Jump. Good job. Next, here I have jar. Yeah. Next, I have, what is this? What picture is this? Shh. That's a jar. Okay? Now let's learn about the sound of letter sound J. Okay, let's hear the sound.
Gentleman, jiggling on a plate. Oh, what will I eat with it?
Okay, one more time.
Gentleman, jiggling on a plate.
Go ahead.
Oh, what will I eat with it?
Okay, now let's do this homework. Don't forget to prepare pencil and crayon. If you have crayon, you can use pencil color too. Okay, first let's see here. Letter sound J. It's big J, and this one is small J. Okay. The first picture. What picture is this? It's jellyfish. Good job. It's jellyfish. First, we need to trace the letter. Okay, trace it with pencil. Just follow the dots and you can make it correctly. Yeah, big J and small J. Next, let's take some crayon. Maybe I want it to be red jellyfish. Let's color it. Let's color it, all of them. Jellyfish. Oh, it's jellyfish. It's almost done. Okay, it's almost done. Okay. Next, we move to these girls. Okay, she is jumping. Jump. Let's trace letter J here and color it. I want to use brown for the girls here. Okay, you can ask your mom or your dad for help. Okay, can you do the rest? Nah, you can do the rest until this one, until this boy, okay? Okay, that's all about letter sound J. Okay, are you understand what is letter sound J? Let's meet again in my next video. Bye bye.